Or inviting demons in by that music that you're listening to. It's not just a song. Music is spiritual. 2 Kings 3 says that when Elisha needed to hear from God, he asked for a musician. The Levites in the Old Testament also understood this. When they began to sing, the Lord would begin to attack. Almost anything that is commercially available is clearly made from people whose intentions are corrupted by evil and don't align with God's. It's a known fact that they're casting spells and praying over the music. If David's anointed worship could drive demons away from Saul, what do you think perverted secular music is inviting into your life? The Bible makes it clear, music carries spiritual power. David's music, filled with the presence of God, brought peace and deliverance. But what happens when you constantly fill your ears with music that glorifies sex, drugs, and the devil? Not all music is bad, but not all music is beneficial. From a vibrational frequency perspective, from a sound perspective, from a lyrical perspective, you shouldn't be consuming that stuff. Every beat and every lyric is actually going deep into your subconscious, shaping your thoughts and your beliefs without you even realizing it. Listen, music, what you watch, what you eat, who you hang out with, it's all feeding. Romans 10:17 says, faith comes by hearing. Your ear is a window to your soul, so is your eye. You feed into your ears, you feed into your eyes, you feed into your mouth. So if you fast from certain foods because you know they're not good for you, why wouldn't you fast from certain music? Better yet, cut it out completely. Some of these artists should be on your prayer list, not your playlist. If David's worship could drive demons away, then secular music can absolutely invite them in.